Hello and welcome to my channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video I am going to show how you can install and run Photoshop CS6 in your Android with using Exagear Windows Emulator. So without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. In my previous video I have already shown that how you can install and run Photoshop. So that was the CS4 version, and in this video I am going to show how you can install and run Photoshop CS6 version. So first of all, you have to download and install the Exagear Windows Emulator application. The download link in the description. And the second thing, you have to download the Photoshop CS6 download file. So it will be in this zip file. You have to extract this. So let me just show you. So you have to open the zip file and you have to long press on it. Just click to extract. So this is for the ES File Explorer. Make sure you have downloaded the ES File Explorer. So this is the very good Explorer in my opinion. You can download it and install in your Android phone. So this is the Photoshop CS6 setup file and text key. So as you can see, so this is the text key. So we are done with the extracting. So now you have to open the Exagear Windows Emulator application. So in my previous video I've already shown that how you can install VLC, Media Player and Audacity. You can check out my previous video and make sure to subscribe to my channel for a lot of upcoming videos. So you have to just click on these three lines. And so as you can see, this is the mod Exagear Windows Emulator, the downloading in the description. So you have to just click on the manage containers. So you have to just click on the three dots. So just click to run Explorer. If you are my old subscriber, you know about all the thing about the Exagear. If you are new, you can check out my previous video. There are a lot of videos on my channel on Exagear, and I have made a separate tutorial video on how you can install and run Windows Exagear Windows Emulator in your Android. You can check out my previous video. So as you can see in the screen, the Exagear has been opened here, and it's also open the File Explorer. So it will be in the landscape mode. So let me just turn the Android phone, set up the camera and come back again. So just now I have done the Android phone and set up the camera. So this is the File Explorer of this Exagear. So you have to search for the extracted Photoshop file. So this is the Photoshop CS6 file. You have to folder. You have to just double click on it. Again you have to double click on it. So as you can see, this is the setup file and this is the key.txt. So let me just open the key.txt while double click on it. So as you can see, this is the key.txt. Let me just minimize it. And now you have to open the setup file. So as you can see, the installation process has been started. It will asking me to select the language. So let me just click to English and click to OK. So as you can see, this is the Photoshop CS6 installer. So let's click to next and just click to I accept the agreement. Just click to next. Okay, you have to make sure you have to click on the create a desktop icon. So next time we can directly open the Photoshop CS6 from the desktop. So this installation process is only for months. After installation you can directly open the Photoshop software from the desktop or from the start menu. So you did not require to install again and again. So you have to just click to next. So here it will asking you to enter the license key. So I've already told you to open that key.txt. So this is the key. You have to just click on the right side of the key and you have to swipe from right to left. So as you can see like this, and you have to long press on it and just click to copy. Then you have to just minimize this and you have to long press it here and just click to paste. So we have successfully copy and paste the license key. Just click to next and just click to install. So as you can see, the Photoshop CS6 is installing in Android. So here it will going to take some time to install, and it will saying extracting files, means it will installing all the necessary files in the C drive. As you can see in the screen, the Photoshop CS6 has been successfully installed and will saying complete the body Photoshop CS6. So just click to finish Now we have successfully installed the Photoshop CS6 version in Android phone using Exagear Windows Emulator. Now I am going to open this Photoshop. So as you can see, while installing, I have tell you to make sure check onto the create shortcut of this Photoshop, so it will appear in the desktop screen of this Exagear emulator. So as you can see, it will here. So you have to just double click on it. At first you have to wait for a minute. So let me just minimize this, close this key.txt file. So as you can see in the screen, the Photoshop has been started opening here. I already told at first it will going to take some time and saying installing and installizing. At first it will going to take some time, and as you can see, it will blank all the background. So it will going to use lot of RAM of the Android. Yes, the Windows emulator going to use your Android, and it will going to slow down your Android phone. Don't worry about that. Only while using Photoshop or only while using other softwares in Exagear. If you close the Exagear, it does not harm or affect your Android phone. Don't worry about that. I have checked. I have Exagear in my every single phone. It does not affect my Android phone or any other phone. Don't worry about that. So as you can see, it will taking some time to load the Windows Photoshop CS extended. It will saying about the Photoshop CS6 extended, and it will saying installation panels. So as you can see in the finally, the Photoshop CS6 has been successfully opened here. So as you can see, this is the fully working Photoshop. So let me just show you the basic features of this Photoshop. So just now I have clicked on the file, just click to new. So I'm going to make a new image, so it will asking me the white height. So let me just keep it the default and just click to OK. So it will going to load a plain blank image in this editing software. So at the moment the Photoshop is working very slow because of my Android phone. If you have a high-end phone, it will going to work very fast and quick. Don't worry about that. I have checked it in another phone while I'm recording that video on this phone because of the camera clarity, video recording clarity. So as you can see, this is the photo I have pasted it in the Photoshop. Just now I have opened this photo, and as you can see, let me just show you the features. Let me just show you the features of this Photoshop. So as you can see, the painting tool is perfectly working. So as you can see, this is the basic feature I have shown. You can do a lot of things in this Photoshop if you have a good smartphone, good specification smartphone. So as you can see, this is the Photoshop fully working. This is the Photoshop CS6 fully working in Android. You can also save your edited file in your Android storage folder, or you can open any other incompleted editing file in this Photoshop. So as you can see, this is the Photoshop CS6 fully working in Android using Exagear Windows Emulator. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you're getting any problem, let me know in the comment. I try to fix your problem. Thank you.